Hey guys, it's Kim, and today I'm going to be doing a very exciting video. I think I've been waiting since the day it came out to try this out, but I finally received my Through My Eyes collection. I just ordered it and I'm super duper excited. This is probably pretty late because it came out like maybe 3 weeks ago, but as a mom it's kind of hard to purchase every new makeup that comes out because first I have to feed my baby. But oh my god, let me just tell you that this palette is so gorgeous. I swatched it the minute that I got it, and I don't know, but the formula is so amazing. Like, I don't know what ColourPop did, but these colors are so gorgeous and the glitters are so pigmented. And I can't wait to create a look. So many different options that you can do with this palette. Just look at this gorgeousness. Look at this. Like, there's no other palette that's as gorgeous as this. There's so many different looks that you can do. You can go with plums. You can go neutral. You can go pink. You can go green. You literally can do anything with this palette. So I can't wait to create a look with this. And I already have my brows done. Funny story. Yesterday my brother came over and he judged my brows. So I decided to fix them up myself. But guess what? I'm no eyebrow expert and I messed one up. So from now on, I think I'm going to be shading in my eyebrows 24/7 until they do grow out. I don't know if you guys can tell, but look. This one's a little bit thinner than this one. Camera, it's not so visible, but in person and taking all this off, it's bad. Trust me, it's very bad. But enough about that. Let's get started and go into this babe. here is the finished look. Overall, I am so amazed with this palette and the lip glosses. So here is the finished look. I am so satisfied with the way it came out and the way everything applies. ColourPop and ILUVSARAHI did such an amazing job. Good job, guys. It is so beautiful, and I can't wait to create another fun look with this palette. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, you guys, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Facebook. I'd love to become your friend. I'm going to be posting up frequently, daily if possible, and if my baby allows it. So stay tuned for what's next. Don't forget to subscribe.